The little boat that waited. How to use this lesson. This lesson is for beginner English learners. It exists to build reading confidence. Slowly, it includes a story, vocabulary, and questions. It also includes a rhyme and speaking task. Learners can improve reading, memory, and speaking skills. Learn carefully. Tom had a small red boat that he kept beside the lake. Every single morning he checked it, making sure the flag stayed tied. Tom loved that little red boat. One day the wind grew strong and pulled the boat away. Tom ran quickly to the water, watching as it slowly drifted. Worry filled his young heart. The boat moved across the lake, passing by the tall green trees. Soon, it vanished from his sight, leaving Tom alone on the shore. His heart felt heavy and sad. Tom refused to simply give up, so he waited by the water. Every day he returned again, watching the lake for hours, believing his boat would come back. Days passed while Tom kept waiting. Though his friends told him to stop, Tom only shook his head and smiled. He said that hope was not silly. Patience, he believed, was worth it. Then, one quiet evening near sunset, Tom noticed something small and red. It moved slowly toward the shore. His heart began to race quickly. Could it truly be his boat? The little red boat drew closer. So Tom waded into the water. He grabbed the rope with joy. Tears filled his happy eyes. His boat had finally come home. Tom pulled the boat onto land, checking it carefully all over. The flag was torn, but present. The wood was worn, yet strong. Everything about it felt familiar. That night, Tom told his family, sharing the story with quiet pride. His little boat had traveled far, yet it always found its way. Hope and patience had brought it home. From that day, Tom understood something. Waiting can be hard, yet valuable. Good things sometimes simply take time. So never give up on what matters. Hope, after all, never truly leaves. Vocabulary practice. Patience, the ability to wait calmly. Example: Tom showed patience by the lake, drifted, moved slowly, without control. Example: the boat drifted across the water. Shore the land beside a lake or sea. Example: Tom stood alone on the shore. Worry, a feeling of fear or unease. Example: worry filled his young heart. Waded walked slowly through water. Example: Tom waded into the water. Worn, damaged from long use. Example: the wood was worn but strong. Familiar, known or recognized easily. Example: everything about it felt familiar. Valuable, important, or worth having. Example: waiting can be hard, yet valuable. Comprehension questions. 1. What color was Tom's boat? 2. What made the boat float away? 3. How did Tom feel at first? 4. What did Tom do every day? 5. What did Tom notice near sunset? 6. How did Tom feel when it returned? 7. What lesson did Tom learn? Rhyme section. A little red boat upon the lake sailed far away, a chance to take. Tom stood waiting, day by day, hoping his boat would find its way. The wind can blow, the water can roam, but patience and hope will bring it home. So wait and trust and don't give in. Good things return where hope begins. Speaking, writing task. Speak or write about a time you waited for something. Answer these questions in your own words. 1. What were you waiting for? 2. How did you feel while waiting? 3. What happened in the end? 4. What did you learn from waiting? Try to use the words. Great job! Now try to use patience, worry, familiarity, and valuable in your own speaking and writing. Practice a little every day. Your English will improve step by step. Thank you for learning with us today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. For more English lessons, keep practicing and keep improving. See you next time.